Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe vlog, and for today's vlog it is a super simple recipe that my youngest really loves, which is tuna sandwich. Almost every day these stinky boys ask for tuna sandwich to be packed for lunch. So check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So I'm just using what I have in the pantry and the fridge. If you have fresh celery would be nice for sure, and also if you have parsley, but I don't have at the moment, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So open the tuna and we're gonna drain the water. This is flake tuna in light water. And then into a bowl or a plate, this is half teaspoon of chives and half tablespoon of diced onion and quarter teaspoon of celery salt. We're just gonna add the tuna into the plate and grate a little cucumber. You can use English cucumber or mini cucumber, it's up to you, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and about half to 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, or just yellow mustard is fine. And if you want a little refreshing flavor, definitely a drop or 2 of lemon juice. And now we're gonna mix it. Now it's done, and we're just gonna put it or smear it or spread it on our sandwich slices. Ta-da! You can have it as sandwich, regular slice and toast, or on top of toasted bread. Yum, with a little bit of sriracha. And I have fruit, which is healthy, and then I have my dessert. This is chocolate frosted oat bars, which the recipe I shared yesterday, and this is muddy macaroons the day before I shared the recipe as well. Bon appetit!